Welcome to our tutorial on how to reply to a message in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to effectively respond to your emails within Gmail. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and accessing the Gmail website. Step 2. Locate the message you want to reply to and click on the Select option next to it. This will highlight the message. Step 3. Right-click on the selected message. A context menu will appear. Step 4. From the context menu, select the Reply option. This will open a reply window where you can compose your response. Now you can type your reply and hit the Send button to respond to the message in Gmail on your PC. It's that simple. By following these steps, you can easily reply to messages in Gmail on your PC and stay on top of your email communication. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Enjoy a seamless Gmail experience on your PC with efficient email management.